Welcome back! Today we bring you a very simple activity that we love. It's these anti-stress balls of Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon. What do you think? You will not believe how easy they're to make. Although we have some tips to make them perfectly. Today we make Gato Rainbow and Gato Moon's flower balls. For this craft we're going to need 2 balloons, 1 yellow and 1 purple, flour, 1 bottle, and a black permanent marker. First we're going to need a funnel, but if you don't have one, you can make one like I did with paper. I just rolled it up and cut the bottom open. We put it on top of the bottle, and we put the flour inside. When we have it, we inflate our balloon, and this part is very important. We're going to turn the top part, and very carefully so that the air doesn't come out, we're going to put the balloon on top of the bottle. And now we're going to put the flour inside the balloon. And when we have it, we will put both fingers on the balloon top and we will let the air out very slowly. In the video, I put it in fast motion, but remember, it has to be done very slowly because otherwise you will fill the whole house with flour. When there's no more air in the balloon, we will take out a little bit of flour that might have been left on top and we will make a knot. And now we'll do the same with the yellow balloon to make Gato Rainbow. And as you can see, you can already squeeze it. By the way, don't forget to subscribe so you can see our new videos every week. And now it's time to customize our toys. We will take a black permanent marker and we will draw the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. It's very important that the marker is permanent, because if not, once we touch it, the whole face will be smeared. And now we're going to make Gato Moon. So you can see I've cut the top off. Since this balloon had a small peak on the bottom, I'm going to use it to make Gato Moon's nose, which turned out a little big, but I think it's very cute. Color it pink. And we got it! By the way, did you know that we have an animated series with lots of educational episodes to watch with your little ones? It's very easy to access them. You can look for them directly on YouTube, or you can go to our channel and look for the playlist where we have all the episodes. And remember, as always, we have them in English and in Spanish. Well, and we've already finished our flower balls. What do you think? It's super fun to play with them. They feel amazing. But keep in mind that they can break easily if you squeeze them too much. If you see that it starts to open a little bit, you can always put another balloon over it or make a new one. But they do last some time and it's very fun to play with them. And I'm sure your little ones will love it. If you make this, don't forget to tell us about it on social media. We always love to see your pictures. See you next week with a new video. Bye!